This 2013 Upper Deck Artifacts Hockey Box. 2013 Upper Deck Artifacts Hockey Box. 6 times we're going to randomize it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Corey is up with the first pack. Alright, there's 10 spots, 10 team bags. Let's get this rolling. Alright, good luck to everybody. Happy New Year to you too, Joseph. Thank you.
John, did I give you that incentive for the next break if it breaks? No, that one's already for the artifact.
Oh yeah, the 56 steps. Yeah, I told him.
So guys, the regular specials are, the $10 things off. That was insane. But we are offering a sweet Eddie Matthews from 56 in case anything else breaks. If not, we'll wish everyone happy and healthy. But I love that break, John. Artifacts is very fun.
Yeah, I love artifacts. Okay, let's open it up. Very nice. Here we go. Alright, 1 through 5, 6 to 10. Okay. First pack, Corey. Good luck. Got a lot of memorabilia hits in this one. You guys tell me, Fireplug, I know you're in it. You tell me whether it's good or not, because I don't know much about hockey, as you know. Alright, Corey. Got some Keith Yandel, Dustin Brown. This is a very thick card. It is a Jimmy Howard swatch. It looks like 70 out of 75 jersey patch for the Red Wings. Jimmy Howard. Nice. Alright, Corey, that's the hit for this pack, I'm assuming. I'm going to put this in the penny sleeves.
All these Is it bad or not?
Did I put in a card saver or should I put in? I'll put in a card saver.
The costs are high, maybe.
No, the con box or something. 50 bucks or something.
No, it's gonna be too tight.
Oh, yeah, I won't.
I'm just gonna put it in the thing.
Correct me if I'm wrong, this is stuff you scanned that's ready.
Yeah.
And Fred's doing his thing.
Yeah.
Alright, so he still has some work to
Yeah.
do. Okay.
Game Center Live and David Perrin and some other base
Alright,
cards.
what do you think we should do with this? Because basically, when I bought the deal, the guy brought it to me and said everything was fine.
Yeah.
You look at the store,
That's a good bag.
it is good.
Yeah.
Okay,
But I
next
don't
pack,
keep it for
Derek.
personal, so you just use it for the company?
Yeah.
Just in case?
Yeah.
Alright, where should we put it? Great. Yes, I'm sorry, clean up a little bit.
Okay, base card, Eric Lindros, base card. Ooh, autograph.
Who we get?
Auto Facts. It's Stefan DaCosta. Stefan DaCosta. Just going out to Derek. Derek, is that good? I'm not sure if you like that. It's not serial number, it's not any number, it's just autographed. A thick piece of cardboard. Here, Rob, can we get some pennies, please? I thought I saw some. I don't know where it
It
is.
should be this.
There's like one here. Derek, any good, Derek? No, no, maybe. All right, there's your card. All right, pack number 3. Craig. Thanks. Not really? Alright. Alright, Derek. Well, I tried. Next pack. Craig Davison. Let's see. Base card. Ah, right off the bat. Artifacts Tundra to tandems. You got Nathan Horton and Brad Marchand.
That's nice.
I don't see any serial number, so it's just the dual jerseys. The Bruins. Alright, maybe he'll do that for you. You never know. Okay. Alright, good. And base card. Okay. That was pack number 3. Pack number 4. Going out to Derek. If you're up.
Sorry, you opened the back door, right?
Yeah.
It's unlocked.
Alright, base card. What's a rookie? Rookie base card. Victor Fast. NHL Game Center Live card. And a thick card. Huh, more base cards. I'm thinking it's just the rookie. Is the rookie card? That's good. Victor Fast for the Ducks. Oh, that's not it. Because this game last center thing, I don't know what that is. So I'm hoping that's good, Derek. 5th pack. Peter Bria, going out to you. Alright, base card. Ooh, a number. Ryan Johansson. Number 908 of 999. 908 of 999. Ryan Johansson. Base card. Alright, that was pack 5. Alright, 6 through 10. Here we go. Derek, you're up. Let me know if this is good for you, Derek. Let me know. Base card. Artifacts Rookie Redemption. You receive a Hockey Rookie Redemption card. I don't think that's good. I have no idea, but I'm gonna send it to you anyway. Base card. No, Derek, no. Rookie Redemption. Next pack. Derek, you're up again. Oh, that sucks. Alright. Base card. Okay, here we go. Kevin Shattenkirk. Number 9 of 36. Let me put this in a penny sleeve for you real quick before I show it off. Kevin Shattenkirk. Artifacts. What is this? Jersey card. 9 of 36. 9 of 36. Any good? Base card. Not bad, alright. I'll take that. Derek, you're up again. Base card, and some blue corner card. 4 of 85. Shea Weaver. Blue corners. I like blue. So let me know if that's any good. Shea Weaver. Get your base cards. There's pack 8. Pack 9. Joe A. Here we go, Joe. Alright. I'm not sure if that's good or bad, but you will let me know. Okay. Base card. A rookie red corner card for Joseph A. Drew Shore for the Panthers. This is card number 174 of 299. 174 of 299. Rookie. Nice rookie corner card. Okay. Let me know that's good, Joseph. Or Derek. Let me know that's good. And the last pack. Folks, this is it. The last pack of the night of the New Year's of 2016. Let me just double check. I'm pretty sure it is. Derek, my friend, you are the one getting the last pack of 2017. Hopefully something good. Hopefully you enjoy it. I do see a Wayne Gretzky card though in the back. Base card. Here we go. Base card, and then you got this Jean-Sébastien Guerre.
This stuff is low.
This is 828 of 999.
Put it on there. It's just I don't.
Jean-Sébastien Guerre.
Yeah. I didn't.
And base card, but then a Wayne Gretzky card on the base card. Not sure if he's getting good. Not Wayne Gretzky, but this guy is Jean-Sébastien. Alright guys, that was it. That was the last pack opening.
Oh yeah.
And now I'm going to random off this Walter Payton third year.
3 shelves, 3 units.
Let's see who gets it. Let's go back to random.
I don't care. Just put it around. Yeah, that's not good. I agree. Yeah.
Let me just make sure I emailed.
We have shelf space that's more valuable. I was just doing that. But also understand that we're going to run out.
I did, okay.
Is this something ridiculous?
Alright, let's see how many times we're going to roll it.
Next year of Heritage, and the week after, and we'll try to do another event ourselves. That's just because it's nice to generate money, but also it just
6 times. 6 times. Here we go. First thing on top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Derek, congratulations, my friend. Getting a third year Walter Payton card for the Bears, all pro. All yours, my friend. That's going to you, which you get the second. You got the second pack. So I'll put that in there so Rob will know.
That's been put in there. I know what it.
Okay, cool. Alright guys, that was fun. That was the 2013 Upper Deck box artifacts.